Now, I am in no way getting paid by these guys, but this stuff works. This is a primer. I got a little bit here. This will cover a lot of metal for you, even this amount. You don't want to put any metal in there or debris because you will ruin this primer, so you always want to put it into a different cup. What we're doing here today is we're fixing a little bit of rust on this A93 Mercedes, and so we've sanded everything down. Here, in this case, the tire was rubbing and it was just left untreated. So we've sanded all the rust out. Sometimes you can see like a pinhole that's very deep. We're not seeing ones here. And then you want to put that primer on. And it actually, because it's like special and acidic, it etches into the metal. So the metal itself becomes like darker. And then overnight this will etch. So you really get great adhesion after, because even if you put like epoxy primer on there, it's mostly a mechanical grip. It's not going to be chemical. You just have to, like, even for epoxy primer, you just sand it to like 80 grit, they say 120 grit. But this is actually chemical. Oh, you can see where the rust was here. See those spots where it's starting to turn black a little bit? So, this is the only stuff that I found actually works. I've used those like cans from Duplicolor or, you know, just any brands that have these rust converters, and it's all BS, let me tell you. None of it really did it for me. And this stuff, you can see it work. It will actually lift the rust from the spot, and then you have to sand it down because you have like grits. So I bet you that's what's gonna happen on the other side where there was pitting. It's actually going to lift that. You have to remove it, and then you can reapply it even more if you want, and it'll lift more rust out. Sometimes before I begin this, if there is a lot of rust, I'll put muriatic acid on. That will really go deep into the metal and remove all the rust. And then you have to wash it very well, and then once you apply this is a different kind of acid and primer. It pretty much stops the muriatic acid from being active and whatnot. It just seals it off. So those are very good combinations together. And then we'll put epoxy primer on top of this. Epoxy primer works very well with this primer. They bind very well. Epoxy primer just on top of, like, this is 220 grit, I believe. It doesn't really grip well, epoxy primer. You have to have deep scratches. Like I said, it's only mechanical. But since we got that other primer on here, it'll stick perfectly. Chemically, not just mechanically. So, that's a tip for you guys. I mean, I've been doing this for quite a while. We're also restoring that CLK bumper. There's a video on that. If you're dealing with rust, and everybody is, you want your old cars lasting you very long, use good materials, good chemistry to keep that rust at bay. There's also a video of how we washed this Mercedes, and we sealed it underneath with amber. This is how it looks after everything's been sealed. This is a clean example. You see we went over everything. All the spots that are known to me on these cars were covered. Thanks for stopping in. I hope you enjoyed my tip. Leave a comment, like and subscribe. I think comments are the best. They really get the video out there at that point. Thanks for stepping in.